guys, so I want to talk to you guys about a curly hair product that I've been using that honestly, it works really well with my hair type. My hair is somewhere in between 3B, 3C. I don't really know what to call it. It's a whole bunch of different hair types all in one, so I hesitate to say, oh, my hair is 3B or my hair is 3C. I do have a video on my curly hair routine using specific products that work really well for me. And I noticed some of you guys mentioned, oh, well,
you don't have 3C hair.
If I don't have 3C hair, like 3C curls, I don't know what I have then, because it's definitely not anything less than 3B. And I would definitely not venture off into the 4 for my hair type. I really don't even know what to call this. I know some of you guys who share my hair type probably feel the same way. So I want to talk to you guys about the mielle pomegranate and honey twisting souffle and the leave-in conditioner, because these work so well with my hair type in this summer season. So you guys know that with curly hair, you can't just use any product for any season. You have to actually use products that will work with the humidity that you're in or in the cold that you're in. These, first of all, smell so good. If there was some sort of perfume for this, like that had the same scent, I would probably wear it because it actually smells really good. So what you'll notice, the first thing about the mielle products for the pomegranate and honey, is that it mentions on the label that it's for type 4 hair. So the leave-in conditioner specifically says moisturizing curl primer and detangler for thick, curly type 4 hair. Obviously, I don't have type 4 hair, but my hair is honestly so much complicated. It's type complicated. That's what my hair is. It's type complicated because I have so many, it feels like I have so many different types of curls in my hair. I have sections of my hair that can probably be 3A or 3B, and then I have other sections of my hair, definitely like some type 4A kind of stuff. So my hair is definitely not a one size fits all kind of curl. When I picked up this product from the beauty supply, I figured why not try it, because why the heck not? I actually ended up really liking it. And the twisting souffle is like it's like this cream. It's a cream, but it defines. It's like doing the job of a gel, but being a cream at the same time. I don't know if that makes sense, but this works really well on holding my curl pattern, especially in this humidity when my curls do not want to hold it together. It works really well for that. I like these because there's no
parabens, no sulfates, no paraffins, no mineral oil, no synthetic colors, no DEA, and no animal testing,
which is great. I always whenever I pick up products from the beauty supply store or from any store, I always go to the back of the label first. You don't want to just go to the front, because the front's going to tell you everything that you want to hear, even if it's not true. So you want to go to the back and really look at those ingredients to see if those are ingredients that you feel comfortable putting in your hair. And the same thing with the twisting souffle. It really has ingredients that work well with my preferences and what works best for my skin and my hair. So usually I'll just let my hair air dry, especially on a hot day like this, and I'll show you guys what my hair looks like after a few days of these products. So this is what my hair looks like after a few days of having this product regimen in. I never like to go off of the first day results of hair products because I just feel like there's a lot that can happen after the first day, and honestly I feel like the effectiveness of a product really is shown after the first and second day. So that's why I'm showing you guys what my hair looks like after a few days of having these products in. As you guys can see, my hair is a little bit frizzy, but my hair is just naturally frizzy, so it's not a huge problem for me. I've learned to embrace the frizz. So if some of you guys follow me here on the channel, you guys will know that last week I did not upload. I'm very sorry about that, but I really did need just a break and a breather from everything that I was doing, from content creating to different responsibilities that I have going on right now. I've definitely had so much on my plate, it seems like, because as you guys know, I'm getting married, I'm moving out, I'm going back to work, hopefully, with all the COVID stuff happening. And so there's definitely been a lot of things happening and going on, but I really appreciate your patience and I appreciate you guys clicking on this video to watch it. And if you guys have not already, please make sure to subscribe just so that you can join the family here and not miss out on any future videos that I post in the future. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried mielle products. This is one of my first products that I've used from mielle. I'm looking to start using or maybe trying some of their other products. Let me know if you guys like them or if you guys have tried them before. I definitely love reviewing products for you guys, especially because I'm very picky when it comes to my curly hair products, and my hair is also very picky when it comes to curly hair products. So I find videos like this really helpful whenever I'm looking for new products that will work for my hair. So if you guys have not already, please make sure to subscribe and to leave a comment below letting me know some products that you're currently using in this season of your life. And I will see all you lovely people in the next video.